Los Angeles personal injury attorney Stephen Sweat here, going over the 5 most common questions I get as a accident attorney. And those are: 1, obviously, do I have a case? That really depends upon many factors, including statutes, who's at fault in a motor vehicle accident. Motor vehicle code comes into question, and those are questions obviously most easily answered by an attorney and can be answered fairly quickly. The second question is, what is my case worth? That depends upon your medical costs, the amount of treatment that you need, the cost of the treatment, the need for future treatment. All of those things are also things that can be analyzed by a personal injury attorney in most of the times in the initial consultation. How long will my case take? That depends upon the complexity of the case. Most motor vehicle accident claims can be resolved without having to file a lawsuit about 80% of the time. And every lawyer should aim to resolve cases as soon as they can, without compromising the value of the case or selling it short. The reason is you want to keep the attorney fees and the costs lower for the client, and that's always my aim as well. Again, I would never settle a case for an unreasonable amount of money, though, and I'm always willing to litigate cases all the way through trial if necessary. What are the attorney's fees and how do they get paid? Most personal injury attorneys, including myself, work on a contingency fee basis, which means that we don't charge anything up front, nothing unless and until the case resolves. This allows, clients that don't have the means to put up thousands of dollars in retainer and pay by the hour to still get a high quality attorney. And so that's one of the main benefits of hiring a personal injury attorney, and being able to get the legal representation you need without any money up front. Finally, what should I do next after I talk to a personal injury attorney? If they decide to retain your case, then you should let them take over from there. You should not communicate with the insurance company for the other party. You should not give any statements. You should tell any insurance representatives that call you that you have an attorney and provide their information so that the lawyer can act as a buffer between you and the insurance company, and they don't try to do anything that takes advantage of you or compromises your case. So those are really the most common questions I get, and hopefully that provided you some valuable information. We have a ton of information on case value and calculating case value in our website, victimslawyer.com. So take a look at that online, and feel free to subscribe to our channel if you find our information useful, or put comments below if you want to ask any additional questions about your particular personal injury claim. Thanks a lot.